Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Flask. Today we are going to learn how to create the first simple application in the Flask Python. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let me open the code. So here we have the code, right? So let's go and just open the code over from here, right? So the Python code will open, right? So next step, so first of all, we have to install the Flask. So let's go to the terminal and install this package. Okay. So it will install the package like this. This is done. Okay. So moving to the next one, that we have to import the Flask, open the app.py. So let's create this file. Okay. So I'm going to create this file like this, app.py, and let's import the Flask with the help of this command. Okay. So first we import like this. This is the import command. After this, we have to go with the create the Flask instance. So with the help of this, you will create the instance of a Flask. Okay. Next one, the name argument is a special variable that gets the name of the current module, right? So this helps to Flask to determine the root path of the application. If you are not defining this one, then it will create the issue, right? Or when you try to run the Python script, then make sure you have to give the name of that one. Okay. Next, we have to define a route. So this is the way that you can define the route. So a route tells the Flask which function to execute for this specific URL. Suppose on the slash I want to run this function, that is hello flask world. Okay. Use @app.route decorator to define a route. So whenever you define a route, so make sure you have to define like this with the @decorator. Okay. So this is that one, right? Next, we have the if underscore name main. So basically, if name equal to this block ensures that the app.run method is only called when the script is executed directly. So this script executed directly. This prevents the server from starting. If you import this file as a module in other projects, then it will be the different one. Okay. So inside the block app.run starts the Flask development server. So here currently it will run the development server when you are doing like this. Okay. So let's copy this code and run the first application. So here we go with the first code with the Flask, that is hello Flask. Okay. So this is, we have to run, save this. So I think this is my another modules issue, nothing this one. So let me run this Python Flask run. So here you can see that the so app install this. We have another one also to run this Python 3. Which one? This is app.py. We can also run like this. Here you can see that we are able to run this on the server. When I open this link, you can see that hello Flask world. Okay. So the first hello world application we are able to generate with the help of this. This is the route. If I want to go with the routing part, we will discuss later on. So make sure you have to learn how to use that one. So here we are defining the function, that is hello world, and this is on the slash. Whenever I put the slash, this function will call. Okay. And here we have done the application to run, that is a main application, right? So this is how you are able to create a simple application in the Python Flask. Okay. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.